SharkBite, the leader in push-to-connect plumbing systems, now introduces ProLock, a twist-to-lock system designed specifically for use with SharkBite PE-RT and PEX pipe. Remember, the first step in any plumbing project should be shutting off the water supply to the area you're working on and depressurizing the system. Once done, you're ready to get started. Cut the pipe squarely to your desired length. Feel the end of the pipe to ensure it is free of burrs and sharp edges. Insert the pipe fully into the fitting until it stops. Turn the locking collar a quarter turn clockwise to the lock position. The indicator marks will align and an audible click will be heard. When using end stops, notice there is no rotating locking collar. End stops are locked in place once the pipe is inserted fully. To disconnect ProLock fittings, turn the collar counterclockwise until it hits the stop point. With the pipe and fitting between your index and middle finger, depress the collet against the fitting. It may be necessary to push the pipe toward the fitting before removing in order to release the stainless steel gripping teeth. Once removed, you can make adjustments to your pipe length or the fitting you're using and repeat the previous connection step. Cut, push, twist, and lock. It's that simple. SharkBite ProLock, fitting the future.